मेज मक्का। इसका बॉटनिकल नेम जिया मेज। फैमिली ग्रेमिनी या पोएसी। इंट्रोडक्शन: क्वीन ऑफ सीरियल्स और myriaceae crops, 23% of the total area in continent. Fourth rank next to rice, wheat, jowar in area and production. Nutrient: protein 10%, oil 4%, CHO 70%. Crude fibers 2.3%, albuminuridas 10.4%. मेज प्रोटीन, इसमें जेन प्रोटीन पाई जाती है। डिफिशियंट इन ट्रिप्टोफैन एंड लाइसिन, 2 एसेंशियल एमिनो एसिड। Indicator plant of P deficiency: maize is low in Ca and high in P. Origin: Central America and Mexico. Teosinte close relative. Area and distribution: largest area USA, production USA and China, UP. Area and production में आंध्र प्रदेश, एवरेज यील्ड उपज में। क्लासिफिकेशन: किप्स 1959 में। जिया मेज इंडुराटा। फ्लिंट कॉर्न इंडिया, एमिलोप्टिन। जिया मेज इंडेंटाटा। डेंट कॉर्न यूएसए, एमिलोस। जिया मेज इवर्टा पॉपकॉर्न 70,000 सी। एक्सटर्मे फ्रॉम ऑफ फ्लिंट। जिया मेज सेकुराटा स्वीट कॉर्न। जिया मेज एमलिसिया सॉफ्ट कॉर्न, विटामिन ए एंड सी, 20% शुगर, 20% शुगर। जिया मेज ट्यूनिकाटा पॉडकॉर्न। जिया मेज सेकेरिटिना कुलेस। वेक्सिकॉर्न चाइना, एमिलोपेक्टिन 78%, एमिलोस 22%। बॉटनिकल डिस्क्रिप्शन: रूट सिस्टम फाइब्रस एंड डीप, सेमिनल और टेम्परेरी रूट्स। areas at the first node of the stem, under soil just above the scuteller node, crown of coronal roots. Areas from the basal portion of the stem, base, probes and aerial roots. Primary function is to give anchorage to the plant's stem. 12 से 18 alternating nodes, the internodes. Average internode 40. Inflorescence: monoecious plant, protoandry. Female lower ear or cub, male upper tassel. Spiculates, one sessile and other pedicelates. Silk style of female spiculate, porn, receptive origin. Carnal, one seeded fruit or caryopsis. Double fertilization, fertilization of 2 female nuclei by 2 male nuclei. Earth, each of axillary buds in covered with 8 to 14 modified leaves, scales, husks and prophase. Climate: rainfall 50 से 75 सेंटीमीटर। Vegetation 210 C, growth 320 C. Grows from sea leaves to 3000 meter. Sensitive to stagnant water. Humidity 60 से 70%. Soil: sandy loams to silt loam. pH 5.5 से 7.5 Varieties, ideas of hybrid maize. East and Sul 90 से 100 by singly crossed technique USA and China. Double crossed technique D.F. Jones 90 से 20 1920 Field preparation, soil inverting, plunging 20 से 25 cm deep. Seed and sowing. Nursery to use new hybrid seed every year. In case of composite varieties, it is not necessary. 30% yield reduction if used ovens. Hybrid crop. Seed rate hybrid 20 to 25 kg प्रति hectare. Composite 18 से 20 kg प्रति hectare. 10 to 12% more seed than the desired plant population would be normally required to compensate for various field losses. Spacing 60 to 25%. Seed treatment. Bavistin 3 gram per kg seed. Sowing time June last to July 1st. Plant method 3 से 5 प्रति 6 centimeter deep. Plant on the side of Redgi. In narrow furrows in a flat bed with no earthing up. On flat bed and earthing up 40 to 50 days. Manure and fertilizer. FIM 10 to 50 tons. NPK 1 by 3 at sowing, 1 by 3 at knee high stage 30 to 35 days, 1 by 3 at tasseling. Major part of the N uptake by the crop is over by the tasseling stage. Fertilizer should be placed about 3 to 5 cm to the side and 3 to 5 cm below the seed. In case of zinc deficiency 20 to 25 kg zinc ZnSO4 and deficiency seen in V-shaped pattern on leaves, white buds in case of zinc deficiency. Water management 500 to 800 mm water. Most vertical tasseling to silking required 5 irrigations. Late knee high stage at 6 leaf stage, tasseling at 50% silking. Weed control in maize. Weed reduces yield 50 to 60%. Crop should be kept weed free for 30 to 45 days. Atrazine and simazine pre-emergence 1.25 kg. Disease seed rot, seedling blind 3 kg of baby scent of thrips per kg of seed. Black Bultney disease, bacterial stalk root, Ervina carotovora variety G. Bleaching powder 20 to 25 kg. Pythium stalk root, Captain 150 gram per 100 liter water. सूखने से डाउनी मिल्ड्यू स्प्रे मैनकोजैब 75 WP 1.5 kg plus 0.25 kg zinc SO4 in 500 liter of water. Brown strip downy mildew मैनकोजोब 75 WP और जिनेब 0.25% स्प्रे. Medi of Trucium leaf blights, insect pest kit. stem borer, damaging stage, lavaria, counsing dead heart, pink stem borer, create dead heart, control, shoot fly, create dead heart, maize leaf roller, caterpillar, kharif grasshopper, adult nymph, Mlaeorceus williv, cutworm, white garb, very serious in sandy soil. Harvesting and threshing when 30% moisture. Yield उपज हाइब्रिड में 50 से 60 क्विंटल, कंपोसिटेज 45 से 50 क्विंटल. राबी मेज. The average temperature should stay above 120 C and 3 should be no frost. Sowing time end of October. NPK N 1/4 at sowing, 1/2 at knee high stage 30 to 35 days, 1/2 at the emergence of flag leaf. Spacing 60 से 180 60 से 18 सेंटीमीटर. सीड रेट 20 से 22 kg per hectare. Water treatment 45 C overnight. Irrigations 2 up to flowering 20 से 25 days interval. 1 at flowering, 2 after flowering, 1 at the earning grain filling. Yield same as Kharif.